Hello everyone, it's the Brick Public and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade your Specialist / Sniper Clone Troopers. We're going to be upgrading the 212th and the 501st figures. Both came out, I think, this year or last year. So we're going to start with the 501st one, and before we get started, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and let's get started. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the first figure. So take the figure apart and take the right arm off of the figure and then add a white arm instead. So it looks like this. Take the legs, add a black waist cape with a blue trim. Add that on just like that. Add the torso back on. Add this white rubber band. This is one that I got from a Lego set, but any rubber band will do, preferably in the colors white or black. So add that on, just like that. Add the helmet back on, and there's the figure done. So then, take this sniper piece. Camera, can you focus? Alright. Take this sniper piece here, add this candle piece, and just like that, you got the sniper, and then attach it to the figure. So turn the figure around, and then attach it just like that. And it's kind of like a holster for the figure, so now he's able to carry the sniper on his back. So there's the first figure done, and let's go to the second figure. So here are the pieces you're going to need for the last figure. So what you are going to want to do is, oh, that piece too. Take the helmet and the head off, and take the arms off from the figure, and then take the legs off. Take the legs, add any color waist cape. I prefer gray and black, but this is the one I had on hand. So this is the 2020 style, 2020 style Airborne Trooper waist cape. Add that on, add the torso on, and now add some orange arms on, just like this. Add a Clone Army Customs printed backpack. Add that on, just like this. Add the helmet on, or the head on, and then add the helmet on. And then add the macros. I always have trouble putting these on. Just gets through the hole. Okay. Macros on. And there's the figure, and what you can do to make a gun. This is a ARC Trooper gun I got from Clone Army Customs, and add a black lightsaber piece, connect them together, and you got a pretty cool looking smallish sniper. So you can give that to the figure, and just like that, the figure is complete. So let's go to the outro. So there are the two figures complete. I really like how they turned out. They look really nice. So if you like this video and the figures, please like and subscribe. Comment down below any video suggestions you have. I always read the comments, and I always like to see what you guys have to say. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And, oh, special announcement. I'm now doing decal commissions. If you have any decal figures you want, just email me. I'll have it in the link. Not a link. I'll have it in the description below. You can email me, and we can get things sorted out. And, yeah, if you're watching this video way further in the future, chances are my commission things won't be open. So if you always want to see if they're open or closed, go to my YouTube About page and see if they're open or closed. So with that out of the way, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, guys.